away they go. On the inside, we have Mama Boosh away fast. On the far side, there goes Right in the white cap. Miss Peanut, blessed one from the rail. Down at the rail is Roman Chic in the red. They have been followed by Vindicated Ghost, 3 lengths off the leaders. Then it's Pride. Lava Girl on the far side. Go On Babe is 6 off the leaders. Then Wooden Sky. Behind that comes Moon Dancer, leaves back second last, and Once in a While is last. Into the turn they go, and it's Rote on the far side. Rote kicking on for home, Blessed down at the rail. Now here comes Mama Boosh, and Mama Boosh goes to take them on from third. And behind that, Roman Chic. They are followed by Go On Babe, 4.5 off the leaders. Vindicated Ghost on the far side, then Primed and Lava Girl. They turn for home, and Rote in the white cap is the leader. Taken on now by Mama Boosh, and it's Mama Boosh and Rote the 2 as they turn for home. Go On Babe in the blue sleeves comes to take them on from third. Homeward bound now, here's Lava Girl running on late, and Roman Chic suddenly wide open. Go On Babe on the grandstand side. Go On Babe doing best of all. Mama Boosh on the inside. Go On Babe, Mama Boosh, Lava Girl very close. Go On Babe, Lava Girl, Mama Boosh, and Roman Chic was fourth.